We're going to do a turn in the road, or a 3-point turn, or maybe even left reverse, depending on what we go down. On the right there, we've got a road, a court, that's got a no through road sign on the side of it. You can see like a letter T in the blue and a blue background on it. And this will crop up, possibly on your test, by accident. And I say by accident because this happened to my students a few years back when they were driving on the test and they took the wrong turn following the sat-nav, and they took the turn before they should have done, and it was no through road, and the examiner says, don't worry about it, you've gone the wrong way, you've done nothing wrong, turn the car around. And they have to do a 3-point turn. If you're not sure what a 3-point turn is, or turn in the road, I'll put a link at the top to a video for you. And if you end up doing a left reverse, I'll put a link at the top at the same time. Because I haven't got a clue what's down here, never been down this road. Don't tend to go down no through roads because, unless the student needs practice, that is. And this sort of thing you might do after you take your test, where you're picking up friends, or you get lost and you try to find your way around. So let's get driving, let's get going down. It's a forward camera and a reverse on my dash cam, so I'll use that footage to help me. But if you have got a reversing camera on your dashboard, just remember to not pay too much attention to it. Pay attention to it when you need to, but make sure you check your mirrors and your blind spots, because their pillars at the back will block a lot of stuff. So let's move off. And we'll let this car go first because he's got the right of way. So we're going to go right down here. So I haven't got a clue what's down here. It could be an easy one, it could be an hard one. Well, there's a few parked cars. It's a typical sort of space you're going to get down these little no-through roads. I'm taking my time because I don't know what's down here. And I can see on the right, the road goes round there and the road goes round to the left. So I'm just going to go round to the right, see where it takes me. It might be a complete dead end and I have to turn back, which is what I'm kind of hoping for. Because this sort of thing you're going to do, you're trying to find places, whether you're trying to find an house or a flat you're looking for. So here we go, dead end coming up. So at this point I'm going to stop for a second to assess what's going on. So there's a dead end on both sides, so I'm going to use the space on the left here to bring it round and then straighten myself up, pop it in reverse, have a check, make sure nothing's coming in behind me, make sure that nothing in that white van, nothing coming back from there. So there's no rush, a lot of checking round, a little bit of power, a little bit of gas, not a lot. You don't go fast, and check round, use your mirrors, use your sides, use your blind spots. Just go slowly, avoid the bins because there's going to be all sorts of obstacles. There could be cars parked in the middle of the road on this, it's narrow, so strange things will happen all the time. And then you just bring yourself back slowly, enough so you can get actually into that turn. Don't kind of sell yourself short, go back enough, because if a car comes down you want to be able to get out easier. Pop it in first, make sure nothing's going around on a bicycle or scooter, and then a left turn into here to get out. So that's it in a nutshell, and there's other ones, some are easier, some are harder. So if you do go down a dead end by mistake, don't panic. Let's see what's on the other end, at the same time. Might as well do while we're here, see what's down here. Yeah, so don't panic if you go down the wrong end, think, oh God, the road's getting narrow and there's lots of cars. It might be the complete opposite, it might not, I don't know. Let's go down here, oh, it's slightly different. Now this one's a little bit easier. So I'm just going to bring it across to the right. It's a little bit easier, this one. Can't make it in one full turn because of the car there. Pop it in reverse. Taking my time, looking round, making sure number 10 bin doesn't move. There's someone behind it. Bringing the car with someone there, so I'm going to wait a second. This is what you've got to do. You just suddenly reverse off his driveway, which is fine. Not wrong with that. Making sure I don't hit the curbs or the lamp post, because it's a bit more of a tight on this one. Taking my time, straightening the wheels up to where I want to go, to the right, pop it in first, and I'm off. So this is what could happen after you pass your driving test. You could be driving somewhere to pick up your mates, or for a job interview, and you go down the wrong end of the road, and it ends up being a no-through road. So I hope this has helped you to understand that you can do these things. Hopefully you're learning the turning road, and if you're not, have a go at it. definitely have a look at the video. I'll put at the end at the same time. Take care and safe driving, everybody.